guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been wanting like a designer like luxury bag for like a really long time now. I think it's been like 5 years that I've been like waiting and like deciding and like saving, just because I wanted to make sure that I got the right one. I feel like you use it for a long time and I didn't want to be compulsive and impulsive and like buy something that I thought I wanted at the time. I waited for a really long time. I talked to like all my friends and my family. I like sat there for like 2 weeks like deciding which one I wanted and like picked it out. I didn't get to try it on before, but I did watch a lot of reviews, a lot of unboxings. My cousin was in Texas and she actually tried on the bag that I'm about to show you guys, and that's what helped me decide what I wanted. So I hope that this video is super informative and that you can watch this video and decide that you want it or give you a little bit more information. So I'm gonna be as informational as possible. Is that a word? Informational? Informative. I'm going to be as informative as possible for those who are looking to buy this purse. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. One of the big questions that I had when I got my package was like, is it just going to be left out on the floor, or like how does that work? Like, does someone sign or do they just leave it? Because obviously like my mailbox is not going to fit this big of a box, and so that really worried me because I didn't want anybody to go to the front door and like just take it, because obviously, you know, this is expensive. So I did buy my purse from Gucci, and I found out that Gucci does make you sign the package so they don't just leave it on your front door. The only thing that sucks is that I work and my schedule is very up and down, so I never know when FedEx was gonna come. So I was so excited that I didn't want to just like wait till the next day. So it actually came at 11 in the morning and I was at work and they let me know. I called them, like talked to customer service on all that, and they told me that I could pick up my package at 4 at like the location or FedEx or whatever. So I went there at 4:30 and I picked up my package, and it came in this brown box. It actually doesn't say that it's from Gucci or anything like that, so you don't really have to worry about people being like, oh, like seeing the sign and being like, oh, I'm gonna take that package. So I'm actually going to cut it open. Guys, I'm so excited. Like, I've been like waiting all weekend, like just like refresh on my phone, waiting for it to tell me that it got delivered. I'm gonna cry. So this is what the box looks like. It says Gucci, and then you can see it's like packaged super well. They have like the bubble wrap right here, which is really nice, so that way the box doesn't move around. And then it comes with the bag. Originally I had wanted to go down to Texas. If you guys know, I live in Oklahoma. We don't have like Gucci, Louis, Fendi, none of that. And so I was gonna go down to Dallas to purchase this because I did want like the whole experience, like the bag, the box, everything, like super pretty packaging, all of that. But I saw that online it said that it was gonna be complimentary packaging. So I was like, okay, perfect. Like, I hope it comes in the bag and everything. And guys, it does come in this nice little bag. If you live in a state where there is no like Gucci or anything, if you buy it online, the tax is exempt and it's free shipping. I was too excited though, and so I spent $15 extra on shipping, which I guess like if I'm spending $1,250 on a bag, like $15 seems like nothing. Normally I'd be like, no, that's too much for shipping, but I spent it anyways. And I ordered it on Wednesday, on July 4th, and it got here Monday let's check my phone. Today is the 9th, so it took 5 days, which is great. 2 of the days were the weekend, so if we're counting business days, it got here in 3 days, which the $15 of shipping that I paid for, it was 2 to 3 days shipping, which is perfect, like came perfectly on time. So back to the packaging, I did get this bag, and then inside there's this envelope, just says Gucci. I'm just gonna open it. It's fancy envelope, and I believe this is just my receipt. Yeah, so it has this like little card from Gucci, and then it has my receipt, and then like the returning paper if you were gonna return it. I'm just gonna keep that all together. The last thing in here is the Gucci box, which, guys, I'm literally so excited. So the box looks like this. It does come in this cute little Gucci ribbon. And I'm just gonna untie it. It's like so pretty that like I just don't even want to mess with it. And then looks like this. Guys, I can't even like I'm so anxious and stuff. So took the lid off and it's packaged really, really nice. It even has like the wrapping paper. I don't want to rip it. I'm like sweating because I'm so nervous and so excited. I'm like slowly rip it. And then it comes in this satin dust bag. Oh my gosh, guys. I can't. I need a second. Okay. And then it is still wrapped in, I forgot what this is called. I forgot what this type of material is called, but it's still like wrapped in this. And even like the chain is wrapped in this as well. What is it? It's like a foam. I can't even think right now because I'm just like, I want to open it. And then, it's so, guys, I'm holding it upside down. So pretty. Okay, so I got the Gucci Dionysus GG Supreme wallet on chain. Online it's not called that. Hold on. I just want to make sure I give you guys all the information, so I'm going to look it up on my phone. So I pulled it up on my phone, and this bag right here is the Dionysus GG Supreme chain wallet. It retails for $12.50 and I paid $1,265 because I did pay $15 shipping. I'm going to go ahead and take this off as well. My dog is looking at me like, what is this lady doing? Like, he hates this like kind of wrapping in like brown boxes. So this is what it looks like. And then, oh, guys, it feels so luxurious. Like the chain is like super heavy. You open it and then it is a little accordion on the inside. And I did get the tan one. I saw some people get the black one, but I just feel like I liked the tan one more. So that's the one I ordered. I'm going to take these little slips out. So you have 8 little compartments for your card, and then you have an open compartment, another one, and then you have a zipper. And then you have another little compartment, and then on this side there's 8 more credit card holders. So behind the little card holders there's actually space in here to put cash as well as back here. I thought that was like really convenient. And this is a snap bag. There's like a cute little like, you know, like dragons right here. This is the side. And the inside, I can't tell. I don't think that it's suede. I watched this video and she said it was microfiber. I got this print because I feel like it's versatile. All my bags that I have right now are like black, like I don't have any color, nothing light, and I feel like this would match everything. Like any color that I wear, I feel like it would match. And I also picked this because I feel like you can wear it dressed up, or you can dress down with it and wear, like, if you wore like a t-shirt and some biker shorts, this would still be so cute. Or if I wore like I dressed up and I wore like a 2-piece dress and top, it would still look so cute with it. And it's a good size as well. I watched a lot of people, and in here in a second I'm gonna see if I can fit all the things that I have in my current bag in here. But I love that the chain is so, it's like the perfect size. And I watched a bunch of people, they twisted it, put it in, and then wore it like this as well. I'm going to insert a clip right now and show you all the few different ways that you can wear it and like the length. And if you guys wanted to, these chains in here are actually, you can unhook them and then you can wear it with no chain and just like a little carry bag like this. So now that you guys have seen the purse and what it looks like on me, let's see how much it can fit. So the purse I'm using right now is just like my summer bag. It looks like this. Size comparison. Obviously this purse is a lot bigger. It can fit more things. So I have my little Louis keychain. And I'm going to take the cards out and put the cards in. I have two credit cards, a debit card, my driver's license, and then I have my insurance. So about 6 cards. I'm going to put all of that in my bag. And I'm actually going to put it on this side over here. I feel like if I'm wearing it like this and I open it, I can see it easily. So I put 5 cards in there, and then I have like my, what are these? My insurance cards, and then I also have like this bubble tea card that I also keep with me. I'm going to slip these in one of the key holders, or why do I keep saying key holders? The card holders as well. Then I also have a Subway gift card that I'm going to throw in there as well. There are all my cards. Still good. The next thing I'm going to do is actually tuck my keys into this pouch now. So now it lays pretty flat like this. I'm going to put that in the back. And then I also have an iPhone 8 Plus. I don't have a case on it right now. Actually, let me put this case back on. So this makes it even bigger. I'm going to put that in the middle. And right now it's still holding up its shape, still the perfect accordion. I have a chapstick that I usually always carry. This is from NARS. A lip liner from NARS. And then a liquid lipstick from, this one's from Ofra. I'm actually going to move my phone to where the front is. And I'm going to stick my lipsticks in the middle. Then I have my floss that I'm going to throw in there along with a scrunchie that I always need to have. Oh, I have $20 I'm going to tuck in there. And then I have some gum that I'm going to throw in there as well. That is it from this purse. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm going to attempt to close it. And wow, guys, you can see like the accordion is still like perfect. Like a little bit of space right here, but fits a lot. More than like I thought it, like when it's like this, I feel like you think that it's not going to close. But depending on how you arrange it, it's going to fit better. And I don't ever have my phone in here anyways, but I just wanted you guys to see like the space. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I don't think it looks too big or anything. I think that it fits perfectly. I'm literally about to take this to go. I'm supposed to meet my boyfriend, but I needed to film this for you guys real quick. Honestly, I thought it was going to be a tad bit bigger. I feel like in the frame it looks a little bit deceiving because people are holding it up. If I'm putting it right next to me, this is the size of it. It's actually a little bit, it's quite smaller. Fits everything though, so if you have a Plus phone, a chunky case, you don't have to worry about that. I hope this video was informative and that this helped you decide that you want this purse. I definitely wanted to put out a video that had all the information all in one, so people don't have to go and click on different videos. I wanted this to be like the one video that they go to and they're like, okay, I want it. Like, has all the information you need, the size, all of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it was informative and it helped you, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Hopefully I can do more of these videos later on. I would love to. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!